My name is Michael Plunkett. I work here at LifeVac, and today I'm going to show you how the device works. What you want to do is you come over to your patient, you start at the bridge of the nose, place the mask over the bridge of the nose, follow it down to just above the chin. And what you want to have is your basic EC grip here. Your three fingers under the chin form the letter E, and then your thumb and your pointer finger form the letter C on top. What you're trying to do here is create a firm seal that goes all the way around the face, and this is going to help to create the actual vacuum for the patient. And all you're doing is a sharp, short push down, and that sound that you heard was the air escaping out the sides. Now what we've created here is a vacuum. There's negative pressure in there, and it's just a simple, short pull-up motion to remove the obstruction.